welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clean messy data automatically in Python with AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you are cleaning messy data automatically in your Python with an AI, it involves using AI-powered techniques and libraries to identify and correct inconsistency, missing values, outliers, and other data quality issues. So you need to first of all go and tap open your Python and then leverage Python libraries for data cleaning fundamentals. So you can use the pandas and numpy and use these libraries. So you need to incorporate AI-powered techniques like missing value imputation with machine learning can be done. And after you have done this, you can simply add the outlier detection, text standardization, and entity resolution with NPL, automated data type interface, AI-driven data cleaning agents, and stuff. After this, you need to workflow your automated data cleaning chart by simply doing the data loading, profiling, automated cleaning pipeline, validation, and iteration and refinement. Once this is done, you're all set. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.